10 foods to build muscle and gain weight. Hey there amigos, you're watching Crazy Health, which is all about to give you more of a healthier life. In today's video, we bring you all the amazing diets and nutrition that will help to build muscle and gain weight. Like and subscribe so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. For some people, gaining weight or adding muscle can be just as difficult as losing weight is for others. However, simply adding certain foods to your diet can make your weight gain efforts both healthy and more effective. If you are trying to gain size, you can spend 2 hours in the weight room, hammering out set after set. But it won't mean much if you aren't eating a muscle-focused diet. Size gains come from 2 foundational actions: tearing the muscle down with training and building it back up with nutrition. Here are 10 of the best foods to help you gain weight and add muscle the healthy way. Milk. Milk has been used as a weight gainer or muscle builder for decades. It provides a good balance of proteins, carbs, and fats, and is a good source of calcium, as well as other vitamins and minerals. For those trying to add more muscle, milk is an excellent protein source that provides both casein and whey proteins. Research has even shown it can help you add muscle when combined with weightlifting. Additionally, studies have found that milk, or whey, and casein combined can lead to greater mass gains than other protein sources. Rice. Rice is a convenient, low-cost carb source to help you gain weight. Rice is also fairly calorie dense, meaning you can easily obtain a high amount of carbs and calories from a single serving. This helps you eat more food, especially if you have a poor appetite or get full quickly. Consider eating healthy carb sources like brown rice or quinoa in the hours leading up to exercise. This may allow you to exercise harder, providing your body with a greater stimulus for your muscles to grow. Furthermore, some research has shown that rice protein supplements can produce as much muscle gain as whey protein during a weight training program. Potatoes and starches. Potatoes and other starchy food are a very easy and cost-effective way to add in extra calories. Not only do potatoes and other starches add carbs and calories to help you gain weight, they also increase your muscle glycogen stores. Glycogen is the predominant fuel source for most sports and activities. Quinoa is actually a seed that's prepared and eaten like a grain. It can be cooked and eaten on its own, added to soups, or made into flour and used in bread, drinks, or porridge. Quinoa is superior to many other grains in that it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 amino acids that our bodies cannot make on their own. It's also high in protein, minerals, and vitamin B. Healthy starches are a great way to get important nutrients and fiber, boost your calorie intake, and increase your muscle glycogen stores. Dried fruit. Dried fruit is a high-calorie snack that also provides antioxidants and micronutrients. You can get many different types of dried fruit, and they all have a naturally high sugar content. This makes them great for gaining weight, especially since they're convenient to eat and taste great. While many people think fruits lose most of their nutrients when dried, this isn't the case. Dried fruits contain lots of fiber and most of their vitamins and minerals remain intact. Dried fruit is packed with calories, healthy fiber, antioxidants. It's an easy way to add nutrients and calories to your diet that result in gaining weight. Skinless chicken. Like beef, chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is important for muscle maintenance and repair, bone health, and weight maintenance. Is there any food more associated with bodybuilding and muscle growth than the chicken breast? Cost-effective, easy to prepare, and packed with protein. Chicken breasts are the ideal muscle-building food. They also contain generous amounts of the B vitamins, niacin, and B6, which may be particularly important if you're active. These vitamins help your body function properly during the physical activity and exercise that's necessary for optimal muscle gain. Eggs. Eggs contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and other important nutrients like B vitamins and choline. Eggs contain high-quality protein, 9 essential amino acids, choline, the right kind of fat, and vitamin D. They provide the most value for your money, and eggs are not harmful to your health. As numerous studies have already shown, 1 egg contains around 6 grams of protein along with zinc and healthy fats. If you're like most people, you eat more than 1 egg at a time, so the protein count adds up quickly. Cheese. Cheese has been a staple food for centuries. Not many people know this, but cottage cheese is almost entirely pure casein protein. Casein is a slow-digesting protein, which means it is perfect for muscle maintenance. This is useful especially for people who have no choice but to go on long periods without eating. Cottage cheese is also an excellent source of vitamin B12, calcium, and other important nutrients. Choosing which type of cottage cheese is best simply depends on how many extra calories you want to add to your diet. Regardless of which type you choose, it's a great muscle-building snack. Red meat. Consuming red meat has been shown to help with muscle building and gaining weight. Steak contains both leucine and creatine. Nutrients that play a significant role in boosting muscle mass. Steak and other red meats contain both protein and fat, which promote weight gain. While a person is advised to limit their intake, leaner cuts of red meat are healthier for the heart than fattier cuts. Red meats are also probably one of the best muscle-building foods available. Both lean and fatty meats are a great source of protein, though fatty meat provides more calories, which can help you gain weight. One of the best-known fatty beef dishes is brisket. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is a high-fat, high-calorie food. It also contains antioxidants. A person looking to gain weight should select chocolate that has a cocoa content of at least 70%. It may also help reduce the risk of heart disease, some cancers, inflammation, stress, and type 2 diabetes. Like other high-fat foods, dark chocolate has a very high calorie density, meaning it's very easy to get more calories from it. Each 100-gram bar with 60 to 75% cocoa solids has around 600 calories and is packed with micronutrients and health-promoting compounds, including fiber, magnesium, and antioxidants. Protein shakes and supplements. Protein shakes can help a person gain weight easily and efficiently. A shake is most effective at helping to build muscle if drunk shortly after a workout. Drinking homemade protein smoothies can be a highly nutritious and quick way to gain weight. Athletes looking to gain weight often use protein supplements to boost muscle mass, in combination with resistance training. Whey protein supplements and mass gainers can be very easy and cost-effective strategies to gain weight, especially when combined with strength training. Protein supplements may be even more important if you're also training, since your daily protein requirements increase. Like meats and other animal products, whey protein contains all essential amino acids required to stimulate muscle growth. You can use it before or after your workout and at any point during the day. The secret behind gaining weight is consistently eating more calories than you're burning with activity. Lifting weights is important too, so that the additional calories from foods and high-calorie snacks can be used to build muscle instead of just adding fat. Incorporate the foods on this list into meals and meal plans that you can enjoy and can stick with over the long term. Numerous foods can help you gain lean muscle. Many of them are protein-packed and allow your muscles to recover and grow after you have been active. However, it is also important to consume carbohydrates and fats to provide fuel for exercise and physical activity. What's more, many of the foods on this list contain vitamins and minerals your body needs to operate at its best. To reach your goal of gaining lean muscle, focus on exercising regularly and eating more calories each day from nutritious foods like the ones listed in this video. The items we have just told you will not only help you to gain weight and grow out your muscles, but are also a major source of boosting your lifestyle and giving it a healthier punch. We hope that this video will definitely help you all in keeping your healthier lifestyles on the go. Let us know in the comments about the food intakes you have to gain weight and boost your muscles. Stay with us till we are back with another video of crazy health. Don't forget clicking the like, share, and subscribe icons.